Tunnels Park and Museum, Gallitzin, Pennsylvania. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, it's a miserable, cool, rainy day here in Gallitzin, Pennsylvania, and we're right next to the tunnels, just west of the Horseshoe Curve. Let's get some trains going here. Well, not the best days of rail fanning, but we'll still take it. Now we just gotta wait on a train. That's cool. Well, before a train comes, let's get a little info on the Gallitzin Tunnel. Tunnels were built in 1854 and 1904. The length is 3,612 feet. The width is 24 foot, and the cost is $125 per linear foot. And you guys can pause the video and read the rest of that. point right there where the pavement goes across the tracks is the high point of the Allegheny Mountains, where on the other side of the blacktop there, you start heading down the mountain. Well, I think that's going to do it. We saw a couple trains here at Gallitzin, Pennsylvania, and basically this spot here is the top of the Allegheny Mountains as they make their way down, and I think that's going to do it. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.